In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your name on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app, and once it is done, just tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Instagram profile page. Now, guys, if your Instagram account is not connected to any of your Facebook accounts, the easiest way for you to change your name on Instagram is just tap right here at Edit Profile, and then at the very top you will find your current name, and then you will be able to tap right here at the name, and on the next step you will be able to edit your name as a regular text. Just remove current one and enter new one, and then hit save. That will save your new name on Instagram. However, if you have your Instagram account connected to your Facebook account, if you tap right here, you will be taken to facebook.com, and then first off you need to enter mobile number or email here, then enter password. Then if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to enter one-time password here to continue. And in this case, guys, the easiest way for you is to hit right here at these three lines, and then go to Account Center instead of the previous method, because here at Meta Account Center it will be easier for us to change our Instagram name. All we have to do, guys, is first off enter our profiles. If you have several profiles here, select one which you would like to change your name for. I'm gonna select my main profile, which includes my Facebook and Instagram accounts here. On the next step, we'll be able to set our name for both of the Facebook and Instagram accounts associated with that profile just by tapping right here. There we can set our first name, middle name, and last name. We can remove the existing one and then enter new one here. And then once you've changed your name, hit done. The review change button will become active, and then just tap on it and go through all of these steps to change your name. Just keep in mind that if you change your name, you can change it again for 60 days. So just don't enter a name here that you don't want to use, because it can be changed for 2 months. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.